they're either being thrown away or given away. Either way, they will not be in my home come 2021. They have got to go. Hey girl, I'm Nessa. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where I share with you the latest and hottest in natural hair, beauty, and then some. So I have all those natural hair products sitting in my itty bitty tiny little closet gathering up dust, and I do not plan on taking those products with me into 2021. But before I get rid of those products, I figured I would come on camera and show you everything, and also let you know why I don't plan on ever using those products again, why I plan on getting rid of them. So this is what we're going to be doing today. If you are interested, keep on watching. But before we get into it, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I have quite a few products here, so I am going to do my best to go through them as quickly as possible. And if I have any video related to any of the products that I mentioned, I will have them linked for you down in the description box so you can check those out. But for now, let's get into it. Now, is it me though, or do I feel like my eyebrows are just attacking you guys today? Okay. Okay guys, so the first product that I have here is coming from Hwy. It's the Meltdown Extreme Repair Mask. And I've actually done a video on this mask before. I was trying to do the whole elastic treatment type of thing. It said it was good, so I was trying it out. And honestly, I feel like this mask did more damage to my hair than actually helped out. So over time, I just noticed like different things with my hair. And I do think this mask had a lot to do with it. So I never used it again. I didn't feel like I should ever use it again. I mean, I did use most of the product in one sitting, so I don't feel like I can give this away because there's not enough left in it. So I will probably just throw it away, but either way, it's not going to go into 2021 with me because it's just sitting in my little closet and just gathering up dust, and it has got to go. So we are going to move on to number 2 on the list. Now, number 2 we have here is the Sweet Almond Heavy Cream from Obia Naturals. I did a video on that one as well. I was comparing it to the other cream slash leave-in conditioner that Obia Naturals has. Now, I only used that product when I did the video. The smell of that product is not my favorite. The fragrance is just way too much for me. And I kind of feel like I actually maybe got a bad batch because of the little grains that's in there. So I'm not sure. And I actually mentioned it when I was doing the review. And I still have quite a good amount left in this thing. So if anybody wants it, I'll find somebody to give it away to. If not, I will throw it away, but I do not plan on using this product ever again. So we're moving on to number 3. Let's see what we have here. All right, so at number 3, we have Uniqurl. It's the Curl Fantasy Gel. Besides the fact that I do not plan on buying anything else from this company ever again. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, check out my product empties video, my last one that I did here. I explained all of that in there, but that gel left me pretty underwhelmed. I don't feel like it did really anything to my hair, anything for me to keep using it. So that's a product that I will not be taking into 2021 with me. So moving on, we're moving on to number 4. I think we're doing pretty good. We're moving on pretty fast, right? All right, so number 4 is also from Uniqurl. It's their curl forming custard. This one never actually worked for my hair, and it's been sitting in my closet for a very long time. I think actually over a year, gathering dust, and I never did anything to it. So I think now it's time for it to go. And I actually hope that this is the last product that I have here from Uniqurl because I do not want to give any more airtime to this company. So now we are moving on to number 6, I believe. Actually, we are at number 5. You guys know sis can count. You've already noticed that. You've gone through this with me. We are at number 5, okay? So let's move on to number 5. So at number 5, we have this product here. Some of you may be familiar with it. Some of you may not. If you live in the South Florida area, you may be familiar with it. It's the Hydra, the Curl Former. I got this when I went to the hair salon. It is called, oh my God, I forgot the name of it. Hydra Bar. I went to Hydra Bar, I think it was over 2 or 3 years ago. And this is the product that they use on my hair. Of course, I bought it, tried to work with it. I just never understood this product. I tried to use it once and I just could not figure it out at all. I just could not figure out that product. And for me, if I have to take too much time to figure you out, it's just not worth the time for me, and it's just been sitting there. I'm trying to open it up to show you guys. It's just been sitting there just gathering up dust, and I don't even know why I never got rid of it. I think I was hoping to try to use it again, but of course it never happened. But I did use most of the product, so I'm definitely going to be throwing that away. I don't even know if this product, anybody should be using it anymore, because again, it's been open for over 2 years and it's been sitting there. So yeah, I am not going to take this into 2021. It's just going to stay here in 2020. So we are going to move on to the next one. I don't know what number we are at, but we are going to figure it out. Okay, number 6. I figured it out. We are at number 6. At number 6, we have TGIN. This is from the Miracle Repair RX line. This is the curl food. So this is supposed to be a twisting, not necessarily a twisting cream, but it's for moisture and all that good stuff, but you can use it for twisting as well. I think I did use it in a video early on, and I barely used it. I just decided to stop using TGIN products because, one, I feel like my hair wasn't reacting the same as when I first started using TGIN. I always tell you guys, when I first went natural back in 2016, TGIN is one of the first brands that I started using, and I kind of felt like my hair was liking it. Or maybe I didn't really know what my hair was liking because, again, I had just gone natural or returned to being natural, like a lot of people love to say. I had just returned to being natural, so maybe I didn't really know what was working for my hair, but I was hooked on TGIN products. But then I was using their original line, and then this line came out, so I decided that I wanted to try it out. And I think I bought 2 of each product when, well, except the shampoo, I think, when I bought it. So I had bought 2 of this, and when I realized that TGIN does use cones, that was a part of the plan. Whew, okay, that was extreme, okay. What I was saying is, I realized that TGIN uses cones in a lot of their products, and this wasn't something that I actually wanted to be part of the ingredients that I was using on my hair. So I decided to purge myself of all TGIN products. So that is the reason why I stopped using this product and a lot of other things that I do have here on the list from TGIN. So like I said, this is almost full, so I'll probably give this away to a friend or whatever. But I do have another one here that's never been touched at all. If I can find it, I will show you. I have this one right here. It's never been touched. So I'm still trying to figure out what to do with that one. So the next one is going to be what? We are at number 7, and that one's going to be from TGIN as well. And this is again from the Miracle Repair RX line, and that is their Curl Protein Reconstructor. Now, besides the fact that I decided to purge myself of everything TGIN for the reasons that I just mentioned, I also learned the hard way this year that my hair does not need any protein reconstructor type of products because it just doesn't need it. Again, I learned it the hard way. So I actually have, I don't know if it's 1 or 2, but I have this one here, never used it. It's still open. I'm sorry, it's still unused. I've never used it. So I have this here, and I think I have another one. I'm not sure, but we'll see. So now we are going to move on to number 8, I think. Let's check. Okay, yeah, that is number 8. So at number 8, we have more Uniqurl products. So I actually have 4 products here from Uniqurl. I mean, I think I have the entire line of Uniqurl because when they came out, I was very excited, or when I discovered them, I was very excited to try them out. I even wanted to be a brand ambassador when I thought I wanted to be brand ambassadors for brands and stuff like that, and I quickly decided that wasn't for me. Anyways, I digress. So I have this here from Uniqurl. This is the Living Spray, and this is another Living Spray. They had 2 different versions of it. I tried it. I think it was this one. I tried it first. It didn't work for my hair, so I thought maybe because they reformulated, even if I don't even know if they did, maybe this would have been better. That didn't work either. And then I have the Live-In Detangling Spray, not spray, the Live-In Detangling Styler. I think I use most of that one. Let's see. Yeah, I use most of that one, but I haven't used that in a very long time. So this one's gotta go. And then the last one is their hair oil, which I use quite a good amount in there as well. Besides the fact that I mix my own oils, and I don't even use oils that often, to be quite honest, on my hair. And again, I'm just not going to be using those products ever again. So these will be going bye-bye and never come into my household again, not in 2021 or ever again. So we're moving on to the next one, which is going to be number 9, I think. Yep, we are at number 9, and number 9 is from Pattern Beauty. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys, I don't know what got into me, why I even decided to give Pattern Beauty a second chance, because I did the review when they first came out with the shampoo and conditioners, and it left me unimpressed. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will have that link for you as well in the description box. I just was not impressed with those products at all. But I am a girl of second chances. I wanted to give them a second chance. So I went and I picked up this gel, which is a stronghold gel. Now, this part right here is my mistake because I didn't really read the instructions. I didn't read the website before I went and got it. I just knew that I wanted to try something else from them. And I didn't realize that this wasn't made for wash and goes. They specifically say it's meant for slick down style. So if you're looking to do like a puff, you want your hair to be laid, or you want your edges to be laid, you're doing a low bun, that kind of stuff, this would be the gel for you. I still tried to use it in a little part of my hair. Yeah, it wasn't it for me, so that didn't work. And of course, the smell as well. I would never be able to keep this in my hair because I did not like the smell. Now, again, I barely use this thing. I maybe use just a little bit of it. So I am going to return it. I don't know if I'm still within my return period because I bought it and I never touched it until maybe like a few weeks ago. So I'll see if I can return it. If not, then I'll just give it away to somebody. I don't know. We'll see. So let's move on to the next one, which I think is going to be number 10. Number 10, again from TGIN. We have it's again from the Miracle RX or Miracle Repair RX line. We have the moisturizing shampoo, and we also have the protective leave-in conditioner. Now, I'm going to be very honest with you guys. I did use quite a lot, especially from the leave-in conditioner. I barely have any left in there. The shampoo, I have a little bit less than half left in there. But again, I decided that I was going to stop using TGIN, and that's when I stopped using those. I mean, you guys can probably even see I do have like dust in there. That's how long I haven't used these things, okay? So definitely going to get rid of those. They're not going to stay in my little stash for 2021. They're going to stay in the year 2020. Not sure if I should try to give this away to anybody or just, just throw them away. Either way, they're not coming with me in 2021. They are going to stay right here in 2020 with all the bad things that happen, okay? Right here. Okay, guys, so I've already gone through more than 10 products with you technically. So I think I'm going to cut the video right here so that I don't make it too long. I'm going to make a part 2 out of it because I do have a boatload of other products. Trust me, a whole lot of other products that I do want to show you before I get rid of them. So make sure you stay tuned for part 2. And what I'm going to do as well, I am going to announce a giveaway. So if you guys want to participate, you want to make sure that you stay tuned, you watch part 2 of this video. Now, what I want you to do is let me know in the comment section down below if any of those products that I just showed you here, if you've used any of them, or if they are even part of your Holy Grail products, because a lot of times products may not work for one person, but they work for the other one. So I am definitely curious to know what your thoughts are on those products, if you've ever used them. So definitely let me know in the comment section down below. But that is all for part 1 of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did have a lot of fun filming it for you, just like all my other videos. If you have any questions, any comments, any video suggestions, or you just want to say hi, leave them for me in the comment section down below. I love to hear from you and I answer to all my comments. Now, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads, especially part 2 of this video. And in the meantime, if you want to see more from me, I do have tons of videos, tutorials, first impressions already on the channel. I will have some suggestions for you right here on the screen. Be sure you check them out. Thank you so very much for hanging out with me today, and I will catch you in my next one.